A very warm welcome to the students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students. A very warm welcome to the students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. I request everyone to take notes of the grammar topic that we are going to study today. Please take note of this so that it will be very helpful for you all during your exams. So please take note of each concept that we are going to study today in our grammar lesson. So today we are going to learn a new grammar topic, that is parts of speech. Everyone is quite familiar with this, but I'll make sure to make this topic very simple so that you all will understand better and you all can use this in your day-to-day life. So let's begin with a new grammar topic that we are going to study today. So before we go into the depth of the different parts of speech, let's get a basic idea what is exactly parts of speech. Okay, so here is a small definition. It's not a definition, it's just trying to tell you what exactly is parts of speech. The words that are spoken or written together in a specific manner to create a meaningful sentence. The interpretation of the message can be changed in how the words are arranged or used. In order to get a proper sequence of words to deliver the correct message, we must understand the different categories of parts of speech. The 8 different parts of speech have been identified in the English language, on the basis of which one can create and deliver a sentence with the proper content and message. So basically, parts of speech, when we understand or when we look at this word speech or term speech, it tells you that we also have a writing skill, that is speech writing, where you use different sentences and each sentence has some or the other feeling, emotions or expressions that you want to deliver to the person who is hearing it. And therefore parts of speech, if we know what exactly is parts of speech, it will be very easy for you all to write a passage or a paragraph or an essay where you all can use different parts of speech and you all can create a wonderful paragraph which is very meaningful for others to read, so that whatever ideas you want to deliver about your topic, it will be very easier for the opposite person who is listening to you when you use different parts of speech in that topic. So let's know more what exactly is parts of speech.
A very
So in the next half of the video, we will go in depth. We will understand what exactly is a noun, what exactly is a pronoun, adjectives and so on. I hope you all understood the video and I made it very simple so that you all will understand and you all can use it in your day-to-day life, so that you all can use correct sentences, correct words while talking to anyone around you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay safe.